Using WeVideo with students. This is how we are going to create a class in WeVideo. Go to Classes, select Add New Class, Create Class. Name this class, and we suggest you use the school year so you can have multiples in there. Grade and section are optional. And then hit Create. Now we are going to add students to your class. You can import from Google Classroom. You're going to select the Google Classroom in which to import the students from. I'm using my test class. You press Import, and your students will show up there. Now we're going to create an assignment. You can create an assignment. I've added this one. I'm editing it so you can change all of the options you need to. Select a due date for this particular assignment, and then press Update. In order for students to see it, you'll have to publish, so you can go to the three dots and publish. This assignment is created in WeVideo. Now, if you want to assign it to Google Classroom, there's two different ways. You can copy the link of your assignment. Go to Classwork in your Google Classroom, click Create an Assignment. Put in your title that you desire to use. Introduce yourself as this particular assignment. Any instructions you need, then click Link and paste your link into that spot. This will add a link for them to go into their WeVideo account. Make sure you assign it to the students you choose to and add any due dates if you need them. And then assign. Students will access their WeVideo when they click on that link. Now you can use the WeVideo add-on from Google Classroom. We go to Classwork, click Create Assignment. You're going to title your assignment as needed. Enter any optional instructions you need. Go over to the add-ons and click WeVideo. From here, you're going to title your activity again and put in a description. This is what they will see when they go to the WeVideo assignment. So they're going to see it in Google Classroom, and then they're also going to see some instructions in WeVideo, which you can copy and paste. Click Create, and now it's going to be added there. Make sure you choose your students and any due dates you might need. Now it's listed in your Google Classroom.